So I've got this Maschine MK3 with a damaged screen. Everything works, minus the screen. So I got this replacement screen for about $50 from China. And I'm going to attempt to repair. I'm going to start with removing the Phillips screws in the back. Don't forget to get the one behind the warranty void sticker. Don't worry about putting them in any kind of order because they're all the same size. And here we go. So it looks like we'll just be removing this top portion. This you disassemble if you need to clean out the pad sensors. If you hit some pads and the velocity's all off, you got to remove this and you got to clean the brass residue that has gone on the pads. Next we're going to remove these screws holding this top board in. You do have to remove the knobs from the potentiometers over here. This is a tricky part, but you have to gently pull this back to loosen it to have access to the bottom board. You're going to gently loosen that ribbon cable with these two secure latches. Just pull them out and gently take this off. And you can fold that back out of the way. You're going to remove this plastic brace. Set that aside. There's a screw hidden behind this ribbon cable, so you're going to have to remove this to have access to that screw right under here. And there's that screw right there. Alright, this is a tricky part. You're going to have to remove those ribbon cables that are attached to the board. These are the ones that are going to the LCD screens. These are the ones going to the actual screens. And once you remove them, slide this guy out the way. You're going to take this guy off, held in by two screws. Next, you're going to want to remove this guy to get this whole section off. Alright, now this part is the unpleasant part. There's an adhesive holding the glass, so you have to go in with a blade and separate the glass from the plastic. And you gotta be careful because you'll end up breaking it like I did, but hey, we're all learning here. Alright, I got the bezel out. Definitely broke a few pieces, but this is a broken screen, and here's the new screen. Alright, I couldn't record everything because it was a nightmare, but getting the ribbons on is by far the hardest part in the backside because this one is slightly longer than the replacement screen. So it came with that weird long adapter. You're going to have to use it or else the ribbon will not reach the board. So let's put everything back together and hope for the best. Oh, yeah. Forgot to put these things back in, so out all this comes again. Alright, get the rubber buttons back in. Get this guy back in with the feet facing towards you. And I found to get this board in, you're gonna pry up on this plastic piece and it'll swoop right in there. Now this brace support is gonna go in like so. Now for the front, just take the bezel and stick it right on with whatever adhesive is left on it. Well, there it is. So I cracked it a few spots, but you can't really tell. But if you zoom in, you'll see where I really screwed up. But to prevent this, you're gonna most likely need like a heat gun to melt the adhesive and then take it off. So lesson learned and what I get for being impulsive and not using the right tools, but this is why I'm doing this video, so you guys can do what I should have done. Use a heat gun, soften up the adhesive, then pry it off. Alright, got all the back screws in. Now I just have to put these knobs back on those little slots there. And the moment of truth. Let's see if I fixed it or completely jack this sucker up. Okay. Oh. Look at that. Oh, I'm shooting at this is 60 frames a second. Yeah, the flicker's still going. You don't really see that in person. That's just a refresh rate. But yeah, I mean, so far it looks good. I mean, I jacked up the bezel, but you can't really notice because it's all black. Oh, all the buttons work still. Oh, okay. Alright, these work still. Make sure all my knobs are working. I lost two of the knobs here, so I had to source one from an old broken mixer. Same thing with this guy. But it's working. Volume, swing, and everything works. Well, hope you guys learned something, what to do and what not to do. Looking at my mistakes, but there it is. Screen replacement on a Maschine MK3.